When it comes to home upgrades, picture windows are one of the most impactful choices for homeowners looking to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of their home. These large, fixed windows provide expansive views, let in abundant natural light, and create a stunning focal point in any room. However, like any other component of your home, picture windows will eventually need to be replaced due to wear, aging, or changing needs. In Clearwater, where the coastal weather can take a toll on your windows, it's important to know when it's time to consider picture window replacement. In this article, we'll discuss key signs that indicate it's time to upgrade your picture windows and why a replacement might be just what your home needs. Visible damage to the window frame or glass. One of the most obvious signs that your picture windows need replacing is visible damage. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause wear and tear on the window frame and glass. If you notice cracks, chips, or other damage to the glass or frame, it's time to consider a replacement. In Clearwater, where salty air, high humidity, and frequent storms can impact your windows, metal frames may rust, wooden frames can rot, and vinyl windows may warp or crack. This not only affects the appearance of your window but can also compromise its ability to keep your home secure and energy efficient. If the glass is cracked, broken, or foggy, replacing the window is essential to maintaining both your home's security and its energy efficiency. Even a minor crack can lead to further damage or loss of energy efficiency as it allows air leaks and moisture to enter your home. Increased energy bills. A common sign that your picture windows are no longer performing well is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Older or damaged windows tend to lose their insulation capabilities, allowing heat to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer. This can force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility costs. Modern energy-efficient windows, such as those with low-E glass, double glazing, and argon gas insulation, can significantly reduce your home's energy consumption. Upgrading to energy-efficient picture windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round and save money on your monthly utility bills. Difficulty operating the window. Although picture windows are fixed windows and do not open, over time, the window frame, sealant, or surrounding structure may shift or become compromised, making the window difficult to clean or causing air leaks. If you've noticed that your picture window is difficult to maintain, clean, or is no longer sealed properly, it could be a sign that the window's integrity has been compromised. Replacing an old or malfunctioning window will restore both its functionality and aesthetic value, making it easier to maintain and improving the overall comfort of your home. Condensation between the glass pane. If you notice condensation or fog trapped between the glass panes of your picture window, this is a sign that the window seal has failed. Modern picture windows typically have double or triple pane glass to help improve insulation. However, when the seal between the panes breaks, moisture can get trapped inside, causing fogging, water droplets, or visible condensation. Not only does this reduce the clarity and beauty of your view, but it also indicates that the window is no longer providing the insulation it was designed to. A replacement will restore the window's insulation properties and ensure that moisture does not seep into your home. Upgrading for style and curb appeal. Sometimes, the reason for replacing your picture windows is purely aesthetic. If your windows are outdated or no longer match the style of your home, a replacement can help improve your home's overall curb appeal. New picture windows can enhance the exterior of your home, giving it a fresh, modern look while maximizing your views. If you're planning to sell your home, replacing old windows can increase your home's market value and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Buyers are more likely to be attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows, so investing in a replacement can provide a great return on investment. Protection from the elements. Living in Clearwater means dealing with occasional stormy weather and hurricanes, which can damage windows if they are old or poorly maintained. If your picture windows are not impact resistant, they may be vulnerable to breaking during a storm. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows can provide enhanced protection against extreme weather, giving you peace of mind during the storm season. If your windows are old, damaged, or not up to modern storm standards, replacing them with hurricane-resistant picture windows can protect your home and ensure the safety of your family. Improving indoor comfort. Finally, replacing your picture windows can improve the overall comfort of your home. If your old windows are no longer keeping out drafts or regulating indoor temperatures effectively, a new window installation will help maintain a more comfortable living space. Modern picture windows are designed to provide better insulation, block UV rays, and minimize temperature fluctuations inside your home. By investing in new picture windows, you create a more comfortable environment for your family, regardless of the weather outside. Conclusion. Time to replace your picture windows in Clearwater. If your picture windows are showing signs of damage, poor energy performance, or have lost their aesthetic appeal, it might be time to consider a replacement. Upgrading your windows not only enhances the curb appeal and value of your home but also improves its energy efficiency, security, and comfort. In Clearwater, where the weather can be unpredictable, investing in modern picture windows will provide long-lasting benefits for your home, keeping it secure, stylish, and comfortable for years to come. Contact a local window expert today to schedule a consultation and get started on upgrading your Clearwater home with beautiful, high-performance picture windows.